Google capture user intent, organize it, and sell access to that intent through ads. Search requires search requires reveal what people want, where they want it, and how urgently they want it. We're going to talk about Amazon, but one of the things that I love about Amazon is following the track, and we're going to talk about gamification. The more useful the free tool become, the more value the ad ecosystem become. They don't give you maps for free. They want to know where you're going. What are the routes you take if you take public transportation? Okay? That's what they're looking for. Every product that Google give you for free is because they're making money with your data and your intent. Google monetized curiosity by converting human intent into target advertisement.